Hello everybody, this is MJamTube and today I'm going to be playing Animal Jam Play Wild. So this is my first video on which I'm going to post on YouTube, which is related to a game. So I hope you like it. Let us wait until it loads. Now, if you don't know what's Animal Jam, it's a game where you can chat with people online and also at the same time learn facts about animals. So yeah, and today I'm going to be showing you my den tour and my little character. So as you can see here, I have several animals. For example, the one I'm playing right now is with Twinkle Snow Bunny, my first animal. Let me just show you a quick look at my other animals. Now, just today, I've got, so the animals which I have is Precious Speed Monkey, Blooming Shiver Rose, Twinkle Snow Bunny, and the one which I got today for free was Snowflake Snowy Penguin, and I'm gonna be playing with it right now. I've also got today a new pet, and guess who it is? It is also a penguin. It's called Fizzy Pebble, and it's very adorable. Now, let me just show you. See, it's a pet rock hopper penguin, and yeah. Now, I'm gonna take you to my den, and you're gonna be fell in love with it because I got it also today, and it's an ice theme. Very beautiful. See how beautiful it is? Here there's this igloo, and when you go down, you get to the Hall of Fame where all my precious trophies are kept. Now here there's this cool slide to go to the second floor. And you come here to this normal place where you just relax. Now let us go again down to our last floor, which is my living room, the best in the world. We have a nice TV here, The Voice, and a dance party light. Very cool, huh? Then we have this cool wolf theme sofa and lamp, and this is some tea party set. Also we have little snowy crystal, pet poodle, and Bridberry the fox. Here we have an iPad, pink little iPad, and some toys to play with. We also have these slides just for fun. I decided they were good. And if you're wondering where did I got all of these sleds and all the Christmas themes, I got it actually from the last time I was playing Animal Jam. So it really quite mixed up with the theme. And I guess that's it for today, for my little tour of my little room of Animal Jam. And also that's it. Now let me check the parties. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and put a comment down below on what more things should I do. Bye.